Okay, so now let's talk about the CDK or AWS Cloud Development Kit. So this is a way for you to define your cloud infrastructure using a familiar programming language. For example, you do not want to use CloudFormation directly because this is a YAML format, and you like to use JavaScript or TypeScript. You like Python, you like Java, you like .NET, and you would like to just write your cloud infrastructure using these languages. So thanks to the CDK, you can do that, okay? And then once you do so by using your programming language, the code will be compiled. The code will be compiled by the CDK into a usable CloudFormation template in JSON or YAML formats, and therefore you can deploy your infrastructure and your application runtime code together because they can possibly share the same language. Okay, which is great for Lambda function, great for Docker containers in ECS, and even for the EKS. So let's take an example. Let's choose Python, for example, as a programming language. So we are going to write our own CDK application in Python, and we are going to do define our Lambda function of that table DynamoDB table, and maybe for other services in AWS. Then this CDK application using the CDK CLI is going to be transformed into CloudFormation templates, and the CloudFormation templates, which is generated CloudFormation template, can then be applied into CloudFormation to deploy our infrastructure. But the idea is that we want to use a cloud infrastructure using a programming language because it allows us to get, for example, type safety, or to have more familiar constructs and so on, or to go quicker, or to reuse some code, or like have for loops, these kind of things. So this is what the Cloud Development Kit provides us, and actually it's working as the backend as the CloudFormation. So here's an example of what a CDK code would look like. So in this example, this is using, I believe, the JavaScript or TypeScript. We have a VPC example. We have a ECS cluster, and we have an application load balancer with a Fargate service. And so these three things will be compiled by the CDK or CLI into CDK and CLI into CloudFormation template, and that will be usable, and that you can upload and deploy. So that's it for the CDK, and I hope you liked it, and I will see you in the next one.